Properly maintained and traceable records of inspection for construction works is important. Traditionally, the recording of construction processes and results of site inspection and their storage are carried out in paper mode. Since mid-2014, Hong Kong Housing Authority, HA, has been developing the Development and Construction Site Mobile System, DCSMS, to enhance the efficiency of site inspection. Contractor submits request for inspection. HA site staff performs inspection according to Site Supervision Manual. If the inspection results is pass, HA site staff gives consent to contractor to proceed. If the inspection result is fail, HA site staff issues site direction to contractor. Contractor fixes up the defects. Contractor reports the completion of defects rectification and requests for re-inspection. HA site staff performs re-inspection. If the re-inspection result is pass, HA site staff gives consent to the contractor. The above is the site inspection process of the construction works of HA New Works projects. Let's see how the process is enhanced with the application of Structural Works Inspection app. Let's start with the Structural Works Inspection app. Contractor completed the steel rebar fixing at a column. Contractor fills in and submits a Request for Inspection RFI through computer to make request to HA site staff for an inspection of the completed steel rebar. HA site staff then receives a notification message on the mobile phone showing the concerned request for inspection from the contractor. During the site inspection, the HA site staff enters the inspection result of the selected location into the system through the mobile phone. Photos can be taken anytime during the inspection, and comments regarding any defects can be added to the photos. Locations of failed items can also be marked clearly in the system. HA site staff completes the inspection. Contractor will then be notified of the result. If there are failed items, a site direction will be issued to the contractor for follow-up action. If the inspection result is pass, contractor will be given consent to proceed to the next step. Contractor fixes up the defects. Contractor resubmits RFI through computer to request HA site staff to carry out re-inspection. HA site staff receives notification on the request from contractor for re-inspection. Consent will be granted to the contractor to proceed to the next step when no defect is found during re-inspection. After HA site staff has completed the inspection and submits the inspection form in the system, a PDF format will be automatically generated with addition of a timestamp on the inspection form. No more manual editing to the format/information will be allowed thereafter. We now move on to the Safety Alert app. According to the contract requirements, contractor needs to notify the HA immediately if there is an accident or incident occurred on the construction site. With the use of the Safety Alert app, contractor can create the accident or incident report by mobile phone or personal computer. The information to be filled in includes 1. Accident or incident. 2. The contract number. 3. The date and time of the accident or incident. 4. The surname, age, sex, and status of the injured person. After contractor submits the report, it will be transmitted to HA site staff, and HA site staff will receive a notice immediately. HA site staff could see a list of reports in the app. The triangle symbol represents that it is an accident report, and the circle symbol represents that it is an incident report. HA site staff checks and vets the information provided by contractor. Contractor will receive a notice immediately after HA site staff confirms the report. In addition, this report will be sent to the senior management of the HA by email. Next, we will move on to the Site Alert app. If HA site staff observe some defects/issues during site inspection, they can take photos and send message to the contractor for follow-up action. Contractor rectifies the defects upon receipt of the notification and replies to HA site staff upon completion of the rectification works. If HA site staff finds that contractor has not completed the rectification works within reasonable time, they can open a case using the sub-program of the app to monitor the progress of the contractor's rectification. Now let's look at the benefits of DC SMS. First, the tracking of documents is more accurate and easy. Inspection records of every trade, including all past and failed records, together with their percentages, are kept track of through DC SMS. The second benefit is it can improve communication with project stakeholders. When all parties involved in the project have access to the same information at the same time, misunderstanding can be reduced and issues requiring attention can be addressed faster. Lastly, back-office efficiency can be increased. Eliminating the photocopying of forms and photos can greatly reduce the amount of time spent by HA site staff on data entry, organizing report data, and searching for stored documents. There are 3 phases of development on the DC SMS so far. Phase 1 was launched since January 2016. Phase 2 was launched from August 2018 to September 2019. Document app is anticipated to be launched in early 2020. Phase 3 is anticipated to be launched in early 2020 and mid-2021, respectively. Looking forward, we will expand the scope of the DC SMS in the coming future. We will explore how to integrate the DC SMS with apps developed or procured by contractors. We are aware that some contractors in the construction industry have taken the lead in enhancing the site supervision with digitalization, i.e., RISC form. We are now planning to integrate the apps in the DC SMS with that being used by the contractors. We are also exploring the use of BIM on site supervision, and we will start with the foundation projects first. DC SMS collected a lot of data from different HA Works projects, and we are exploring to use the data for monitoring the progress and quality of the construction works in order to speed up the construction works. The quality and progress of construction works could be effectively monitored through adoption of DC SMS.